Hey! In this video, we're going to show you how to create a session on Rolljak. You can host a session about anything on Rolljak. It could be a brainstorming session with your team or a quiz for your students. The possibilities are up to your imagination. To create a new session, click Create Session at the top right of your screen. Now, in Step 1 Activity Type, choose the first activity for your session. To know more about each activity type, read the description that will appear when you hover over the activity card. Once you find the activity you're looking for, click Create. You're on Step 2, Activity Builder. Type in the question. And if you want, add media such as images, GIFs, or videos. The Participants preview will show the screen that participants will see on their device when they're doing the activity. And you can toggle to the Facilitator's preview to see what your screen will look like during the game. Adjust the number of responses. You can choose to fix the number of responses, meaning your participants have only 1, 2, or up to 10 inputs. Or just let your participants choose the number of responses they want to input. In the next phase, to make your session more engaging, you can enable collaboration and peer evaluation. These features will allow participants to creatively collaborate and evaluate their peers' responses. In each phase, set the amount of time that participants will have to complete it. But don't worry, you can always adjust the time when the session is live too. Sessions comprise of multiple activities that you as a host can create, customize, and order within a session. So, if you have more questions to ask your participants, add more activities. Click on the Add Activity button and you will be back on Step 1 Activity Type. You can always have more than one activity in the session. Click Save when you finish designing your session. And don't forget to rename your session. Once you've completed your edits, click Done. You can choose to save it for later or immediately go live. Well done! Now you can live your session when you're ready and have your own personalized Rolljak.